Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started!
If you've ever been enjoying your favorite content on TiviMate only to be abruptly stopped by an unwelcome message stating, "An error occurred, MediaCodecVideoDecoderException," you're certainly not alone. This specific error is a common frustration for many TiviMate users, and thankfully, there's an incredibly easy and effective fix that works for the vast majority of cases. The MediaCodecVideoDecoderException essentially means your device's video decoder, which is responsible for processing and displaying video streams, is encountering a problem with the current content or its own hardware/software configuration. This isn't necessarily a TiviMate bug itself, but rather a compatibility or performance hiccup between TiviMate's default settings and your specific streaming device's capabilities or firmware. The primary, straightforward solution involves a quick adjustment within TiviMate's playback settings, specifically changing the video decoder from hardware to software. Let me walk you through it step by step, as this simple tweak is often the magic bullet you need. First, open your TiviMate application. From the main screen, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu. Once inside Settings, look for and select Playback. Within the Playback options, you'll find an entry labeled Video Decoder. By default, for optimal performance and efficiency, TiviMate usually tries to utilize your device's hardware decoder. Hardware decoding leverages a dedicated chip within your device, which is typically faster and more power efficient. However, sometimes, due to device-specific firmware quirks, codec incompatibilities, or even outdated drivers on your streaming box, this hardware decoder can struggle with certain video streams or become unstable, leading directly to that MediaCodecVideoDecoderException you're seeing. The easy fix is to switch this video decoder setting from hardware to software. Software decoding means your device's main processor, the CPU, will handle the video decoding process instead of the dedicated hardware chip. While this might use slightly more CPU resources and potentially consume a tiny bit more power, it very effectively bypasses any issues related to the hardware decoder, often resolving the MediaCodecVideoDecoderException instantly. After you've made this change to software, simply back out of the settings and try playing the content that was previously giving you trouble. For most users, this single adjustment will clear the error and allow smooth playback. If by some rare chance switching to software decoding doesn't completely resolve the issue, there are a couple of secondary steps you can try. First, you might try the hardware alternative option if it's available in your decoder settings, as some devices offer a secondary hardware path. If that also fails, consider clearing the TiviMate apps cache. You can usually do this by going to your device's main system settings, finding Apps, locating TiviMate, and selecting Clear Cache. This can help with transient data corruption. As a last resort, clearing the app's data, which will require you to re-add your playlists and settings, or ensuring your TiviMate app is updated to the very latest version, and even checking for firmware updates for your streaming device itself, can sometimes help. But truly, that simple switch from hardware to software video decoder in TiviMate's playback settings is the most common, easiest, and quickest fix for the MediaCodecVideoDecoderException. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.